It's gonna be like a little series I'm doing. Y'all getting to showing y'all, getting y'all to know my bird, Fudgy. I tame him a little, but not too much. But he could go on my hand pretty easily. I wonder what else I could do to tame him. I don't know if Fudgy's is the easiest to tame or what, but Fudgy's still pretty wild. Step on. Step on. And sometimes he just get on, sometimes he doesn't. It's like all up to what he wants to do. And when I get him on my finger, I can get him to stay there for pretty long amount of time. And then this video, it can be introducing you to my bird, and he is a budgie, and I don't know how easy they is to tame, but it's been pretty good. You gotta talk to them before you can actually get them on your finger. And if you try to get them on your finger first thing, it ain't gonna work. Talk. I mean, but I say and use a bird. Birds don't talk. And sometimes, when I get him up, I could stroking them in the best thing to do. I don't know if you can see it that clear, but he just tried to peck my finger. And stroking them in the best thing to do until they fully tame, because when they little, that's the best time you have to tame them. And it ain't you can't teach an old bird new tricks, because you could, but it just can take longer than if they was a baby. Because you can see, Fudgy, he didn't actually belong to me. He had another owner who put this tag on his leg. And when we first got him, we waited for a few days to hear on the radio if anybody was missing a bird. And fortunately, nobody was missing a bird. So the person who let Fudgy go, they let him go because they couldn't tame him and take care of him and that stuff. And Fudgy, I don't know why they would let him go, because he was tameable. It's just they didn't know what they was doing. And if somebody if somebody asks, and if you can't tame a bird, don't be don't be it's just a bird. Or if you real mad, I really don't like using this kind of language, but like if you really mad, some people is just be like, come on, screw it. And then like when they say that, they be like, it's just a bird. And then like it isn't just a bird, it's your pet bird. And that's the title. That's the title. What this be? It's but you taking a little bath and it's drinking water. Well, I can see that I need a litter box for Fudgy. And he's still a little wet, but at least he don't do his business a lot. I know you. So funny. And like, don't try to pick them up unless you're real good with them. And the best way to pick them up is when they facing the opposite way of your finger. When they facing the way of your finger, it's best to put them on your finger. So that's a tip. And like Fudgy, he been here for a while. He been there for 3 years. And I can let the camera focus on him for a while. And then like, just like to get a close-up view, see him right there. Look at the camera. And so that was all about my pet bird, Fudgy.